In this tutorial I will show how to install WordPress in cPanel using Softaculous. Log into your cPanel. Go to Software section, then click on the Softaculous icon. Click on the WordPress logo. This will open a screen with several options displayed. You will see a screen with Install, Overview, Features, and Import. Click on the Install link. Fill in the WordPress installation details. After fill the WordPress installation details, please click Install. Softaculous will check the submitted data and install the files to your server for WordPress. Click Return to Overview. Now you will see your WordPress installation in the current installations list. Visit your website in your browser. Congratulations! Now you know how to install WordPress using Softaculous.